Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Zoom video freezing on app. So when you're in a meeting and either your camera is freezing or the camera of that other person is freezing, then in this video I have found a few ways in order to fix this issue. So fix number one is going to be really easy, but what you're going to do is head over to the app like this, go to the bottom left, add more, then click on meetings and then scroll down to advanced. And what you need to make sure to do is that all of those switches are disabled. This basically means that you will be able to use your CPU in order to render those videos, and this will just basically load a lot quicker. So yeah, that could basically be an easy way in order to fix that. What I would also recommend doing is make sure to disable HD video, because this just requires a lot of memory from your computer or phone, so make sure to disable that. And I also would recommend disabling turn off my video. That's also really important. And yeah, basically once you've done that, you can see if it's now working. Now, if it's still not working, what I would also recommend doing is making sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection. Because if you don't have a proper Wi-Fi connection, then this could cause issues with basically your video just not being able to load in because it just doesn't have enough Wi-Fi basically. So make sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection. Now, once you've double checked that and it's still not working, then there might just be something wrong with your network settings over on your phone. On iPhone, what you basically can do is go into General, scroll down till you find Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset, and then click on Reset Network Settings. And sometimes this will fix a lot of issues you are having with certain apps that require a lot of Wi-Fi basically. Now, if it's still not working, what you can also do is basically clear the cache over on the Zoom app. In order to do that, head over into Settings again, click on General, then click on iPhone Storage. Once you've done that, scroll down till you find Zoom. So let me quickly find it. So Zoom is going to be right here. Just click on it. Once you've done that, click on Offload App and you can reinstall the app back again using this page within a few seconds. And basically once you've done that, everything will still be there. You will still be logged into your account and you've basically just performed a clear cache. Now, if that still did not fix your issue, what you can also just simply do is trying to rejoin your meeting, basically. So when you're in a meeting and either your camera is not loading, it's freezing, or the camera of the person you are watching is freezing, then what you can do is simply rejoin the meeting to see if that's maybe working. If it's not, you can also ask that other person to rejoin the meeting to see if maybe that will be working. Now, if it still did not fix the issue, what you can also do is simply restart your device. On iPhone, what you can do is do a force restart. To do this, quickly press the volume up button, then quickly press the volume down button, and then hold the power button until your screen goes dark, but keep holding till that Apple logo appears, and once that Apple logo appears, let go, and your phone will be restarted. And you can now check if maybe that fixes the issue. And lastly, if that still did not fix the issue, what I would recommend doing is basically just reinstalling the entire Zoom app. To do this, hold down the app over on your home screen, click on Remove App, and then you can reinstall it back again using the App Store to see if maybe it now will be working. Do keep in mind that all your documents and data will be lost if you do this, but yeah, you can either back them up or just go with it. And yeah, you can then log back again in with your username and password to see if it's now working. And that's basically all of the fixes I have for you in this video. So let me know down in the comments below which fix it for you. And that being said, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.